Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you some different lettering that you can use on Cricut Design Space. So I'm going to come up here and hit New, and I'm going to go to Text. I'm going to type in the text that I want, move it up a little bit. To change my font, you go up here to Font and hit the little down arrow. It automatically brings you to all of the fonts. And you can see on some of them, it tries to charge you, so there's a price there for how much that font would cost to download. So I like to go over to System because I have some fonts downloaded, and that will give me all of my free fonts, and I don't have to pay anything. So I am going to pick a font. And it will change my wording to that font. It's loading. There we go. This font is a little bit spaced out, so I can come up here to letter space and decrease that by hitting the lower button to kind of squish those letters together. If I want to change my font, I can come over to font size and hit that up button to make it bigger, or I can come to this little diagonal arrow and click and drag that as well to change that font size. If you are working on a project that has a specific size, so like a specific width and height you need it to be, you can come up here to size. And if my space that I was working in was 3 inches by 3 inches, I could type that in and it would automatically make that fit into that area. If I have more than one text space and I want to kind of arrange it, I need to click and drag over both of those text boxes, and I can hit Align. I can align it left, I can center it horizontally, and I can align it right. If I wanted these to be aligned this way, again, I click and drag over all of them. I can hit Align Top, Align Center Vertically, and Align Center, which I think, yeah, that just makes them all go together at the same time. If for some reason you wanted to copy, you come here and you click on this, and if you right-click, you can hit Copy, and then I'll right-click over here and I'll hit Paste. Maybe I wanted to give it kind of a mirror effect. If I wanted to flip this to give it a mirror effect, I could click on this to select this text, come up to Flip, and hit Flip Horizontal, and it will kind of give that mirror effect. Then I like to align it to where it is centered vertically. To change the color of your text, if you kind of want to get a feeling for what that's going to look like, you come up here to this little square, and you can change the color that way. Say I wanted to have text that went along a path, or like curved, like a circle. I could click on my selected text, come up here to curve, and then I can actually drag this to kind of play around with how curved I want it to be. Style. Style's fun to play around with. You can make it bold, italic, regular. Alignment, you can center align it, so if you have like a paragraph, that'll help for centering it. Yeah. So that is a couple tips on lettering for the Cricut Design Space.